I have to sketch this curve y is equal to log x for x 0 to e. So if I do that, when x is 0, so that time it becomes infinity, and when x is 1, y is equal to 0, because log 1 is, so if this is my x-axis and this is y, then this is where, so the graph goes something like this, it will go like that something, and this is when x is 1 and y is 0 there. And when x is e, let's say e is somewhere there, 2.71, so let's say it's somewhere there, e, when x is e, log e is 1, so y will be 1, and this is where y is 0. So we need to find the area under the curve y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 1, and so we need to find this area first. This is the first thing we have to do. So in order to do that, what can be done? We write y, x in terms of y, so x becomes e to the power y, and then we do the area under the curve 0, and y 0 to 1 there, this is e to the power y dy 0 to 1, and this is e to the power y 1 0, so e minus 1, that is the area under this, the red shaded area. Now we will use this information to find the area covered by x is equal to 1 and e. So this area we need to find, but we want to integration. We will use this result to find that. That's what we have to do. We can find the area using integrating the function from x. So we can actually do just y dx x 1 to e. We can do that, and if we do that, we will get this blue shaded area. But instead of doing that integration, we will use this information to find that area. So how can we do that? That's actually simple, because the whole this thing is a rectangle, and we can find that area and subtract the red shaded area from that, which is our required area, the subtracted area. So this rectangular area is 1 times, because this side it's 1 and this side it's e, so 1 times e, so this is just e. So e is the full rectangular area minus the red shaded area is, so this is the full area, minus e minus 1, this is the red area, so this subtracted area will be our required blue area. So if we do that, e minus 1 plus 1, so the result is 1, and we can just double check from this integration whether we get the same result. So let's do that. There log x dx, and actually we won't do that, because in order to do that we have to integrate log, and to integrate log we need integration by parts, which I haven't discussed yet, so I just don't want to do it at this point, maybe later, but this particular problem can be done this way. So